If you're still checking your phone to get your Playwright test past an MFA screen, you aren't really automating. To build a truly hands-off pipeline, you need to handle OTPs through code. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that so your test never hang again. We've all been there. Your Playwright test runs perfectly until it hits the MFA prompt. You can't share a physical device across your team, and you definitely can't pause a headless run to check a text message. The goal is simple. Authenticate once using a real OTP, save the session, and reuse it in every test. No repeated login steps, no repeated MFA prompts. For this demo, GitHub is used as the application. GitHub uses standard TOTP based MFA, which makes it a perfect real-world example. The same approach works for any portal using authenticator apps. This test logs into GitHub, completes MFA using a real OTP, and saves the authenticated session. This is the only place where MFA happens. This test starts already authenticated, no login steps, no MFA prompts. You can find this code in the GitHub repo. Link is in the description of this video. GitHub normally shows a QR code. For automation, the underlying secret key is required. This key is what the authenticator apps use to generate the OTP codes. Copy the secret once and store it securely. Don't commit it, don't log it, and use environment variables instead. To run the setup test, type npx playwright test headed. This opens a real browser, logs into GitHub, enters the OTP automatically, and saves the authenticated session. After this, every subsequent test starts already logged in. No repeated MFA prompt. If this helps solve your MFA automation issue, like this video so it reaches more testers. Subscribe to JKC Tutorials for more content. Important clarification: MFA is not bypassed. The challenge is completed once with a valid OTP. Playwright then saves the browser session so future tests reuse it safely. Security is not weakened. This mirrors a real user behavior. The setup project runs once, all other tests depend on it and start already logged in. Known limitations: OTP codes are time-based and short-lived. Parallel setups can collide. Run setup with a single worker or use multiple accounts if needed. MFA is respected, security remains intact, authentication is done once and reused safely. If you found this video useful, like and subscribe to JKC Tutorials. New tutorials cover Playwright, automation, DevOps, and real-world testing challenges. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.